Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I hope you are in a good condition and stay healthy. Today, we are going to learn about greeting and leave taking. Okay, let's get started. Okay, before we go on to the next material, we will learn the vocabulary that is used in greeting and leave taking. So, as you can see in the slides, there are times. Times here is showing when you do the conversation. For example, morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Okay, the next is person or people. So, person or people here is showing the subject or object that we want to talk to. For example, Sir, Mrs., Mommy, Daddy, Zafira, and Shiva. Okay students, let's move to our material today. Our material today is greeting and leave taking. Okay students, what comes on your mind when you heard greeting and leave taking word? I'll give you 1 minute to think about that. You got it students? If not, we will learn it today, so don't be scared. Okay, let's move to the next. Okay, we go on to the first material is greeting. So, greeting is how to greet other people. Alright students, in greetings, we will learn how to greet others people using morning, afternoon, evening, and night. The first example, good morning ma'am. Good afternoon Zavia. Good evening my sister. Good night, Jimmy. So, here are the expressions of greeting that we can use in daily conversation. Okay, next is please remember me. We will learn how to showing the time. Okay, for showing the time, we use the AM and PM. AM is ante-meridian. This is the showing the times from midnight to noon. And then PM is post-meridian. This is the showing the times from noon to midnight. For example, Marin watched TV at 12 p.m. And the second example is Diane sleeps around 10 p.m. Do you understand? Okay, we go on to the first example. Please repeat after me. The first example. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Lina. Good. Okay, the second example. Good afternoon, Mom. Good afternoon, honey. Good job. Okay, now we will take turn to read the dialogue. I'm the teacher and you are Siti. Please answer me. How are you, Siti? What is the problem? Oh, get well soon, Siti. Great, thank you! Okay students, we go on to the second material. So this is leave taking. So in leave taking, we will learn how to end the conversation with others people. Okay students, here are the example of expressions of leave taking. You can read it by yourself. Okay students, I'll give you the example of the conversation of the taking. You can read it and repeat after me. The first is, goodbye mom. Bye honey. Say that. See you later. See you. Take care. Okay students, you can read the next example by yourself and I hope that you will learn it today. Thank you for attending the class. Hope you are in a healthy way and keep social distancing. Goodbye in another video. Thank you.